To set up parallel space in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate down to security and privacy, and then you can scroll down again until we find the device and data protection. Here we can find the parallel space, and if you enter it, you can enable this option. It will ask you for your current screen lock password, so let's enter it. And then we need to set up a password for the parallel space. So in this case, I'm gonna use a lock screen passcode as a password. And now when we have that ready, it will start to create the parallel space. So let's wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And then, as you can see, the parallel space is created. We can always exit it with this button. And what it does, it basically shows you another space for your phone where you can have different apps and different options. And to access it, I think we need to perform the pinch like this and on the home screen, and then unlock our device. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.